Your week ahead in financial markets. Mike Smith here, Head of Client Education and Trading, to lead you around five things that may be playing on market minds and moving sentiment over the next week. First of these, of course, is we are at the back end of US earnings season. We're in the final 10 to 15% of companies still to report at this stage. Reporting season has been spectacularly good, with around about 77% have beaten EPS expectations and around about 63 beating revenue expectations. This has undoubtedly supported markets at a high level in terms of valuations. Although we did see some profit taken on Friday, these final numbers, particularly from the retail sector, will be important in dictating whether we can hold that or not over the course of the coming week. Of course, it seems to be an ongoing story every time we open the headlines in the morning. There is another outburst from Donald J. Trump on his latest tariffs. Specific sectors are being targeted at the moment, notably semiconductors and steel, as well as the ongoing debates with Mexico, Canada, and China. The Eurozone is also in focus, of course, as well as his thoughts on the Ukrainian-Russian conflict, which will continue to pop up every now and then on his Truth Social and Twitch markets. Accordingly, on the data front, there are two key data points that are worth keeping an eye on. We suggest with the next Fed rate cut now probably pushed back to June in light of stronger CPI recently, the Fed's favorite inflation indicator, the PCE number, year on year, is due out on Friday. It's debatable as to whether that will change market sentiment significantly unless it's far away from what is expected, but a data point really worth keeping an eye on. The other key significant piece of data we think may have sentiment moving potential is the latest preliminary GDP report, where markets are going to be keeping an eye on whether are seeing continued growth in the US economy or whether growth has paused at this stage. The latter is what markets have priced in. So any deviation from that will undoubtedly move sentiment one way or the other. And finally, looking at key technical levels, gold 3000 it remains a possibility. Buyers continue to look interested in the precious metal. If we just have a quick look at a chart, we can see here gold is still very much in uptrend. The last three sessions have looked a bit pawsy around about this 29.35. We have tested 29.50 on Thursday and Friday prior to pulling back. So this is the next key level, but if we reach that 29.55 that we can see on the chart there, then gold 3000 is looking ever closer. But certainly the buyers look as though they're in. We're still getting higher lows. So that's it for this week. We look forward to seeing you at our daily live market updates at 12:30 to update you on the latest headlines and also look for our charts of the day. And of course, if you can make it along to Inner Circle on Wednesday evening, we can guarantee you a high content, high quality education session. Have a great week ahead. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.